What I wish I knew at the start of fall. Love Me Not Coffee is at the Phoenix Farmers Market every Saturday. Yep, you heard that right. Your favorite coffee is now at the downtown Phoenix Farmers Market. Picture this: crisp fall air, bustling market vibes, and the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Sounds perfect, right? Every Saturday, we're serving up your fall favorites. Pumpkin spice latte? Check. A warm spiced chai? You got it. Or maybe you're a die-hard cold brew fan. We've got you covered. Stop by our booth, say hi, and grab a cup. Trust us, it'll make your market stroll even better. Plus, it's the perfect excuse to support local and treat yourself at the same time. So, mark your calendars. Fall Saturdays, downtown Phoenix, Love Me Not Coffee. Because nothing says fall quite like a delicious cup of your favorite brew. Cheers to a perfect weekend. Don't miss out. We can't wait to see you there.